What's up, Money Gang? It's your boy Money Man, Letrent Hill. How y'all doing, man? Look, I know it's been a minute. I've been had a really bad flu, cough, whatever. I'm still coughing right now, man, so please excuse me. But what's up, guys? You don't know who I am. My name's Letrent. I'll show you guys how to make money online. And look what today is. It's New Year's Eve, guys. What's up, man? Look at my shirt. Look at my shirt. Don't quit. Do it. You heard me? Okay, guys. 2019, how to crush your New Year's resolution. I got some notes here on my other computer. Hey, let's get it. As you can see, I'm in a new area. Got my new apartment. Super hype, super dope. Me and my daughter, we're having a great time here. As you hear, I don't know if you can hear or not, but I got the word affirmations in the back. Great way to end the year and great way to start the year off, okay? So, let's dive into it. 2019, how to crush your New Year's resolutions, okay? So, with the beginning of the new year, what are the two niches that most people go into, okay? You got people that be like, hey, you know what I'm saying, 2019, I want to make more money this year, or I want to get fit, or I want to do this, do that. As an entrepreneur, you should only worry about two niches as an online entrepreneur, okay? Making money online and fitness. Reason why? Those are probably the top niches as far as making money online in the first quarter. The first quarter is going to be January through April, okay? So, when you got everybody trying to knock out these New Year's resolutions, they trying to, you know what I'm saying, make more money so they quit their job. They trying to get in the gym. That's why you see all the gym memberships at the gyms. They be like stupid cheap because they want everybody to hop in the gym. No, damn well everybody only gonna last in there probably like 2-3 months, you know what I'm saying? So that's why they had like super specials at the damn gym. So that's where, as an entrepreneur, 80% of the income is gonna come from. It's from that first quarter, January through April. Reason why is because, once again, of the New Year's resolution. Also, people are gonna get their refund checks, whether it be tax refund or college refund, or maybe they decide they want to use some of their money from their job. So that's why this quarter right here, this upcoming 2019, is gonna be the most important for you guys. Okay, I'm here to help you guys. This is a chance for you guys to make this money. We want to get at least $100,000 this year. That's the goal for my subscribers, $100,000. So January, February, March, April. That is the #1 time we guys need to be promoting products and services to these customers and making money, okay? If you guys don't have a product at all, what I recommend you guys doing is heading over to ClickBank. I'll leave a link down in the description. What ClickBank is, it's basically a hub for affiliates. It's affiliate marketing. So basically, you just go in there, type in a niche. Once again, like fitness or money making. We'll take fitness for example. You go there, type in fitness, and they have all these products that'll help people lose weight. I know they got the little 15-day diet, 25-day diet, you know, things like that, help you lose weight, all that good jazz, you know what I'm saying? So start a YouTube video, YouTube channel, fitness channel, be promoted through ClickBank. That's the way to get your YouTube money up and your ClickBank affiliate checks coming in through the mail. And of course, you start your money making channel and promote money making niche affiliate programs, okay? So those ClickBank is going to be dope for people that don't have a product or service. Or if you want to kick it with me, you already know I got products, how to make money, man, black card, $25 one-up, all that good jazz, building your credit, okay? So for January through April, this is when most of the people are motivated to make money. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, because they have their New Year's resolutions, they want to go ahead and make that money. So they're willing to go out their way to try to get what they can get and make some money out of that. So that's why I said this is a great time. First quarter, this is a great time to start making your money. This is where 80% of people make their money. When people get that money, because most people get a large amount of money, maybe 1,000, 5,000, 3,000, I don't know, each his own. But Some people who are smart, they'll use that money to try to invest in something, or they'll jump into something that they've been waiting to jump into for a while, but they never had the money to because they were living check by check. Or you just got that's just ignorant and they don't want to spend that money on something they should spend it on. They'll go to the store, go to the mall, go buy clothes, go buy a new car, things like that. When you can simply start your LLC with that money, if you want to buy a car, get you a dealership license and go buy cars and sell them things yourself. That's free game right there. How do we get those customers to come and purchase our stuff? So it's pretty simple. You got Facebook ads, you got Instagram ads. Well, Facebook and Instagram ads kind of the same thing, but you don't have to put it on Instagram if you don't want to. If you run it on Facebook, then you got YouTube. Okay, these are the three main things that I recommend. Like I said, Facebook, you get Facebook ad. Come up with a video ads are very, very important. No pictures unless it's Instagram. Okay, and Instagram, you got Instagram ads, or you can also just do a thing called Instagram influencers, which basically you pay somebody who has a big Instagram following. I say at least I don't know. I think 5 to 15,000 is cool and on up. You know what I'm saying? They might vary from price. Be sure to check the post engagement on those pages, because some might be fake, some might be real. And of course, you got YouTube ads. I'm pretty sure everybody has YouTube ads. You know what I'm saying? I don't have YouTube ads because I'm not monetized right now, but that's an option. Or you can also start your own Instagram page or your own YouTube. That way, you have people coming to you once again, and it's all you. You don't have to put no money out. It is a little bit of a grind to do that, but like I said, you want to make money in 2019, we're going to have to do this together, okay? Business credit is an option. If you guys don't know about business credit, basically, when you have business credit, you have a big ass amount of money to spend on your credit card as far as business. That's why I operate as an LLC and not myself. I made Letrent here. So when you have business credit, you got a big old credit limit to be able to run ads, jump into products, and you don't have to wait for your damn refund, because people, you know what I'm saying, you have that capital waiting for you right now to be able to jump into any opportunity and be able to sell any type of products, okay? So my recommendation for you guys, I know it's the 31st, starting January 2nd, most people are going to be looking for products and those services to get started to make money, and you guys need to go ahead and jump on that. Of course, you can do whatever you want to do. I'm not here. I'm putting this video out to show you guys that it's possible to, you know what I'm saying, really make something happen this year for you guys. So 2019 is going to be a fantastic year for me. I'll be turning 23. It's my Jordan year, so I'm expected to do a lot. Definitely want to make some new purchases this year, so definitely be on the lookout, you guys. But yeah, to all my subscribers, I love you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you guys tomorrow. It's your boy MoneyGang. Actually, yeah. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Okay? It's your boy MoneyGang. MoneyGang, y'all be easy. Peace. Yeah.